name up in lights. He just wants to be heard, whether it's the beat or the mic. He feels so unlike everybody else, alone, in spite of the fact that some people still think that they know. But no, he knows the code. It's not about the salary, it's all about reality and making some noise, making a story, making sure his click stays up. That means when he puts it down, Tox picking it up. Let's go.
Who the hell is he anyway? He never really talks much, never concerned with status, but still leaving them starstruck. Humble through opportunities given despite the fact that many misjudge him cause he makes a living from writing raps. Put it together himself, now the picture connects. Never asking for someone's help or to get some respect. He's only focused on what he wrote. His will is beyond reach, and now it all unfolds, the skill of an artist. This is 20% skill, 80% fear. Be 100% clear, cause Ryu was ill. Who would've thought he'd be the one that set the West in flames? And I heard him wreck it with the crystal method, name of the game. Came back, dropped Megadeth, took him to church. I like Bleach, man. Ryu had the stupidest verse, this dude is the truth. Now everybody giving them guest spots and stocks through the roof. I heard he f***ing with that stock.
This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name.
They call him Ryu, he's sick and he's spitting fire. And Mike got him out the dryer, he's hot. Found him in Fort Minor with top, but a f***ing nihilist porcupine. He's the type women wanna be with, and rappers hope he gets 8 years in the making, patiently waiting to blow. Now the record with your notice taking over the globe. He's got a partner in crime, his is equally dope. You won't believe the kind of that comes out of this kid's throat. He's not your everyday on the block. He knows how to work with what he's got, making his way to the top. He often gets a comment on his name. People keep asking him, was it given that birth or does it stand for an acronym? No, he's living proof. Let him rock in the booth. He'll get you buzzing quicker than a shot of vodka with juice. Him and his crew are known around as one of the best, dedicated to what they do and give 100%.
Forget Mike, nobody really knows how or why he works so hard. It seems like he's never got time, because he writes every note and he writes every line. And I've seen him at work when that light goes on in his mind. It's like a design is written in his head every time, before he even touches a key or speaks in a rhyme. And those other fellas he runs with, the kids that he signed, ridiculous, without even trying. How do they do it? This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name. This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name. Yeah, Fort Minor, M. Shinoda, styles of beyond, Ryu, Top Beer, Machine Shop.
Well, it's December 16th, 2022, and about 3.5 hours ago, I hit 1,000 subscribers, and I've been trying to figure out what to say this entire time since. I came up to kind of my spot with some ice cream, kind of the whole celebratory with ice cream tradition, and I still really don't know what to say. First thing I've got to say is thank you to God. I'm blessed to do so many amazing things with my life. I get to travel the country working on race cars. I get to make awesome YouTube videos. I get so many experiences that most people don't have. I have amazing people around me, all my family, everybody who supports me and helps me and gives me advice, and just everyone in my life. I'm so thankful to all of y'all. It's from my best friend AJ to Austin, Tyler, Dad, Heather, Haley, Ashley. I could go on all day about everyone in my life who supports me and helps me and just watches all the videos and all of that. And I started out 2022 with 92 subscribers. And at the time, I could not imagine that I was going to be at 1,000 by the end of the year. It took the inside of the funny car video blowing up in Bristol to start getting that momentum. And in September, I reached 500. which is crazy to me. It took me a year to get to my first 500, and here we are 3 months later at 1,000, which just blows my mind. And I am so thankful for all of this. I can't state that enough. A big thank you to Brent from PFI Speed and Clay Milliken, who both convinced me to start this YouTube channel in the beginning. I had no idea it would even get this far, and I can't wait to see where we go in the next year. I've got the goal for the end of 2023. We're going to hit 10,000 subscribers, and it's going to take a lot of work, a lot of passion, everything that I do, and to the extent to make that, but I think we can do it. So, on that note, I don't think there's ever a better time to use Never Give Up, but never give up. Thank you to everybody who's subscribed and helps me out and watches and supports me. It really means the world. And on that note, on to 10,000.